Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
You won't wish me back?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Switch on the video. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Thank you. So let's continue doing the problems. We completed this. Commenced business with cash 1,50,000. Correct? Did we do that? That was the fourth question. Just a second. Okay. We did this. Then fifth question is also over. Yes. Just a second. Okay, let's continue. Udit, let's do the problem number 6. Question number 6. Just a second. Okay, start doing. Who's going to explain the answer? Udit. Udit started business with cash and goods. Purchased building for cash. Okay. Directly we'll start doing the problem, or do you want me to discuss each transaction? We'll start doing the problem. Let's see which are the various heads required here. Sahyajya, tell me the first transaction. We have cash, stock, and capital. Then for B,
Yes, I'm here the question.
yes.
I'm here the question. What you asked.
Question number 6. Which are the headings that we should provide for doing this particular problem? Asset is equal to liability plus capital. Question number 6.
Cash, stock,
First one, for the first transaction, cash, stock, capital. Then purchased building for cash. Yes, yes, louder.
Building and cash.
Building and cash. Very good. Building, cash. Then purchased goods from Himani.
Credit and stock.
Purchase good. Yes. Stock and creditors. It is not credit, it is creditors. Okay? Creditors. Right. Sold goods to Ashu.
Debtor and stock.
Thank you. Oh my God. Just a second. Today, so much of network issues. Let me see. Okay, thank you so much. Then, where are we? Whom did I ask? Rahul? No, Nestle. Nestle, please explain. H, transaction H, cash withdrawn for personal use. Nestle not there. Akshay, please explain.
Cash drawn for personal use 20,000.
So,
So we decrease 20,000 from 2,97,000.
yes, cash balance get reduced. Then,
Capital also get reduced. by
very good,
20,000.
very good. So you have all have become pros now. You know what to do. Okay, very good. That's it. So cash balance getting reduced, again capital. Then what is the next one? Cash rent received in advance. That is I. Alan Thomas, can you? Rent is received in advance. Alan Thomas, can you explain? Anish, can you?
Ma'am, so we got cash in advance, so there is increase in cash,
Very good. Wow, superb. Yes.
and it's a liability because we have to do extra work.
Very good. Yes, good answer. Very good. Yes, that's it. Unaccrued income, a new heading is there, and it is we are receiving it in advance. So we got the cash. So cash is being added. I mean, cash balance is being increased. That's good. Now, what is the next one? Received no. Cash paid to Himani on account J. Cash is paid to Himani. Himani is who's Himani? Himani was our creditor. Yes, Ayuja, please.
Reduction in cash and creditors.
Creditors. We are paying the creditors, so creditors decrease. Yes. Then cash is paid. So cash balance come down, creditors decrease. Okay. Now, cash received from Ashu. K. Transaction K. Cash received from Ashu. Who will explain? Who's there? Only 7 in the class. Krishna, please explain. Only we are there. 6, 7. Yes, K. Equation, I mean transaction K. Krishna not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Debtors will reduct and cash
reduce.
will increase.
Yes, you got the cash. We are we received cash from our debtors. So debtors as such got decreased, and the cash we are receiving it, we'll add it. That's it. So all of you have got the answer correct? Both the sides equal? Okay. Now, have you done the next question, 7th one? Shall I change the screen? I mean the slide? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Started business with cash. Is this the next question? Question number 7. 1,20,000. Yes. Have you done this? Yes. Started business with cash. I hope you have completed this. This was also a homework. Am I right, Sayujya? Yes. Okay. So have you got the answers? Please check. Started business with cash. Now no one is going to make mistake upon this transaction. Started business with cash. Cash account debted to capital. I mean, we'll come to it. Cash and capital. Okay. The two aspects. Cash, capital. That is done. Rent received. You receive the rent. So it is an income. The cash is received. So 10,000 is received. Then it is added to the capital also. 10,000. Invested in shares. Investment. That is an asset. You invest somewhere. Invest in the shares. Okay. So investment is an asset. So invested means you are investing money there. So cash balance is getting reduced. Minus 50,000 under cash. And investment plus. I mean, there is investment 50,000. That's it. Nothing else on the other side. Received dividend. You receive dividend. That is an income. You receive the dividend. So you receive it. That is increase in cash balance plus 5,000 in cash. Received dividend. Again, we'll adjust it upon the capital also. Okay. Then, purchased goods on credit from Rajini. 35,000. 35,000. Okay. 35,000. Purchased goods on credit. It is credit. So, goods came inside, which is the stock. 35,000. Then, we have creditors. 35,000. Okay. That's clear. Now, next one, F. Paid cash for household expenses. We have paid cash for household expenses. What is that? It is for personal use only. Household expenses means for the house expenses, home expenses of the owner. That is a personal expense of the owner. So what is that? It is drawings. So how do we adjust it? We deduct it from cash as well as from capital. 7,000 get reduced. Then the next one is easy now. Sold goods. Where is it? Okay. Sold goods for cash. Stock is worth 10,000. We sell it for 14,000. It is for cash. Okay. So we get 14,000 cash. 10,000 worth stock is reduced. There is a profit. Profit will add it with capital. Okay. Okay. Now, sold goods for cash. Cash paid to Rajani. We are paying cash to Rajani. Rajani is our creditors. Creditor. So we are paying to creditor. That means creditor is getting reduced. 35,000. We are paying the cash. Cash balance reduced. 35,000. Then the last one, deposited into bank. Deposited into bank. That means we can give a different heading. Bank, cash, bank. They are both are asset only. So bank, deposited into bank. That means bank, there is amount increase of, what is the amount? 20,000. Then cash, from the cash it is getting reduced. Finish. Both the sides equal. Okay. Now I want you to do the next one, 8th question. Have you done it? No, please do it now. Please do it. First you read it, you mark what are the headings to be given. I mean, what are the aspects relating to it. Then we will do the problem. Oh, we have all 11, 12, 13, 14 transactions are there. Okay, the first one, any doubt? Nothing. Started business with, so he's starting business with cash. stock, and also building. So cash, goods, building. 3 headings should be given. All those are capital only. So add up all this, you get the capital amount. That is 5,30,000. 5,30,000 is a capital amount. Am I right? Any doubt? Purchased goods for cash. So stock is there. Purchased goods for cash. Cash is there. Okay. Sold goods worth 20,000 for 25,000. So stock is involved. Sold goods costing. So cash is sold goods. You get the cash. So cash, then profit adjustment in capital. Okay. Purchased goods from Rahul. You purchased goods. So stock is there and you get creditors over there. Creditors. He sold goods to Varun. So Varun is a debtor. Again, we are selling stock, get reduced, debtors come in, and we have profit there also. He paid to Rahul in full settlement. So how much should have been paid to Rahul? 55,000. See, 55,000 should be paid. So we pay only 53,000. That means there is a discount. We got a discount, which is a gain. Yes? Salary paid. That means salary is an expense. Salary is paid. So cash get reduced. Capital will also get reduced. Received cash from Varun, full settlement. So Varun should pay us 60,000. And it is said that full settlement, we got the amount 59,000. So there is a loss for the business because business has given a discount to Varun. So 1,000 rupees discount, that is a loss for the business. Received cash, we write 59,000. Varun get cancelled. I mean, that is over, full settlement. Who's Varun? Varun is our debtor. Then there is adjustment with capital also. Rent outstanding, outstanding expense. Outstanding expense is a liability. It is an expense. So we deduct it from capital also. Please do it. Prepaid insurance. It is a prepaid expense. It is an asset. Prepaid insurance. So paid insurance, that means cash is gone. At the same time, prepaid insurance, a heading comes in the asset side. Commission received. Commission received. So you receive cash in the form of commission, and that is added to capital also. Amount withdrawn by him for personal use. Amount withdrawn by him for personal use, that means it is drawings. So cash is gone, capital is reduced. Depreciation charge on building. Depreciation charge on building. So building, again, I mean depreciation, it is a loss. So value of building reduces. Capital also reduces by 10,000. Fresh capital invested. That means again there is capital contribution. Similar to the first transaction. Again cash and capital. Fresh capital is invested. So cash increase, capital increase. Same like the first one. Okay? Purchased goods from Rakhi. Purchased goods from Rakhi, that means it is a credit transaction. You can find the name Rakhi, purchased. So, Rakhi is the creditor. Yes, please do it alone. Give me the answer. I haven't given the answer here. Do it yourself. Let me know the final. So, all the transactions are now familiar to you. Anything doubt? No. We have come across all these transactions. Please do it. So that is 8. Now we will do the 9, 10 also. Okay? 9, 10 homework. With that, we complete the accounting equation. Yes, any trouble? This is question number 8. 9 and 10 homework for you. And I'm repeating, if you find difficulty, no problem. Stop there. But do it yourself. Try yourself. Think. We have 5 more minutes. Please make it fast. Don't you feel comfortable now doing these problems? Is it fun? Just take it as a game. You're playing some games. You're making both the sides equal. Over. Where did you reach? Which transaction? Which one? Yes, Rahul, where are you?
C.
Sorry?
C.
C. Okay, do it. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
which transaction are you at?
B.
D. Okay. So will you please complete it? It's time. Please complete it. Just a second. Let me take the attendance. I don't know what is wrong with others. Okay. Anyways, okay. See you on the next class. Do it. Complete this problem. Also the other one, which was at 9 and 10. Okay? 9 and 10. Complete it. By that, accounting equation part is over. Okay. See you on Thursday. Thank you. Happy Eid. Celebrate.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Happy
Thank you.